Hello everyone, welcome back again to Chef Huie's Culinary Television. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare high protein chef salad. Yes, it's a high protein vegan chef salad. I have all of the ingredients here and we are going to jump right into it. Guys, here I have jackfruit. I have orange. This is the tangerine variation of the orange. I have avocado. I have tofu. There's romaine lettuce. I have kiwi, cucumbers, and I have two types of cheese. I have vegan Swiss and I have cheddar. Of course, I have this nice, beautiful tomato here, guys. We're gonna put everything together and we're gonna make a beautiful vegan chef salad. So we're gonna peel this cucumber just halfway. I'm gonna take my knife and I'm gonna slice and so guys, we got quite a few nice pieces of cucumber here to work with. I'm gonna put them right here. Put them right here so you can see them. Guys, I just like to break the lettuce leaf. You could cut it if you want, but they're nice and crispy. I just hold them like this and I just break them. So that's how much we're gonna use for this chef salad. I'm gonna go ahead and peel my kiwi. My big knife is sharper than my small knives. Let's go with the sharper. It's always good to use paring knife when doing small jobs, especially if you're not all that skilled with your knife. It's make it unlikely that you will have an accident. But I can tell you, to one of the more seasoned professionals, they use this big knife to do just about everything. And again, I'm gonna slice my kiwi. Guys, I have some nice slices of kiwi here. Gonna make an excellent salad today. High protein, vegan. And I'm gonna cut my tomato right in two. I'm just gonna take out the top there and just slice them like this. That is probably about how much we need there. I'm going to go ahead and assemble this chef salad. So this is my jackfruit, and I have showed you in a previous video what the jackfruit is like before you take out what we call the pegs. These, you could go back and look at that video if you never see jackfruit. Cutting my jackfruit into strips. I think we have enough here for one salad. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my cheese. So this is 2 slices of vegan Swiss cheese. And again, the brand that I'm using today is Daya. It's my favorite brand. And again, just want to remind you, I am not affiliated with the company, but I love their product. So I'm gonna continue to use it. Then we're gonna take 2 slices of the cheddar. So all I'm gonna do is cut my cheese in strips there. Okay, so now guys, I think we have everything to prepare the salad. So I just want to remind you, a chef salad in its original form is typically whatever meat that chef can find in the kitchen. They would usually put chicken, beef, turkey, just about any meat they can find. And then they would put some tomato and some little lettuce and cucumbers. But this is the vegan version of the chef salad. There is no meat. Everything is fruit and vegetables, and everything is nice and fresh and alive. Guys, this is such an awesome salad. You're gonna have to try this home. So now we're gonna put the salad together. But guys, there's one thing more I need to slice here, and that is my tofu. The tofu, I already grilled it. You can see it's nice and grilled. I'm just gonna take my knife and I'm just gonna make it into julienne also. Now, your tofu is very delicate, so don't be surprised if it's trying to fall apart a little bit. That is okay. Just take your time and handle it as delicate as you can, and it's gonna be fine. So guys, first thing, we're gonna lay our tofu right here. So we're gonna put our tofu here. But there we go. Next thing, we're gonna put our cheese, our Swiss cheese here. And then we're gonna put our cheddar cheese over here. And guys, you will notice that what we chefs like to do, we like to contrast colors. So like how you have the Swiss cheese over here, we're gonna put the cheddar cheese over here to contrast the colors. Then you could put your tomato, we could put our tomato right here. What I'm showing you, I'm just laying out the roadmap for you. You could move this around and put it whatever way you want. It would be perfectly fine for me. Now we're gonna put our kiwi. Now we have our kiwi there, guys. Then we're gonna put our cucumbers over here. Sometimes you have to move things around until you get it the way how you want it. I'm gonna take the orange, this orange, and you could use any orange you want. If you want to get nice big orange and slice them or cut them in wedges, that's fine. But today this is how I am doing it. I'm putting the orange right in the top here. There you go. The orange is in the top. Next is my jackfruit. So guys, I'm gonna find, if you want to make a nice big salad, then you could put it on a bigger platter. Today I'm using just a small platter for the purpose of demonstration. And that's my jackfruit here. So now the only thing I need to find a place for is my avocado. And guys, you cannot miss this one. This one is one of the ingredients that's powering this salad. It's packed with nutrients. Avocado is one of my favorite of all times. So we got my avocado right here, just beside my tofu. And the tofu, you know, it's another powerhouse. So right now, guys, we have tofu, we have the jackfruit, we have the kiwi over here. This is the Swiss cheese, and over here we have the cheddar cheese, cucumbers, and tomato is sitting right on the side over here. Guys, you can be creative here now. You can put it whatever way you want. Make it nice. Right now, this is what we got. This is what we got, guys. Vegan chef salad. High protein vegan chef salad. Earlier we made this orange vinaigrette dressing, and now it's time to put it on the salad. And this is the dressing, guys. See, it's not too runny, it's slightly thick. If you want it to be thicker, you can add a little bit more of the Dijon mustard, and you can whip it for a little bit longer, but it's not going to get overly thick. And you definitely do not want your dressing to be too thick. You want your dressing to be nice and just runny enough for your salad. So guys, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drizzle this dressing over my salad. What masterpiece this is. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. I don't know where to start. I don't want to break it up. I want you just to taste the cheese with the dressing. That's interesting. And then there is my kiwi. Wow. You never ever would thought that a dressing with fruits and vegetables could taste so good. Guys, this is amazing. You have to try this home. It's easy. You can prepare this in less than 15 minutes. So long as you have all of your ingredients, just put them together, wash them off, and you have a beautiful salad. So, if this is the first time to the channel, I said welcome to Chef Huie's Culinary Television. Thank you for tuning in. And if you like my videos, if you like my recipe, I'm asking you, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Like the video, and I recommend, encourage you to subscribe to the channel. Guys, I have so much more recipe that I will be dropping over the next couple of weeks and months. It's unbelievable. Everything that you eat traditionally, we are making them into a vegan masterpiece, and you will find them right here. But if you're not subscribed to the channel, then maybe when I drop it, you might miss it. So I'm encouraging you, please subscribe to the channel. It also helps the channel grow and let more people know about it.